It's 5:46. I'm kind of just hoping that today is just gonna go by quick.
When I try and do something, no, you're showing life.
Ate breakfast. Going to work. I hope today goes by fast. At least it's not raining outside. I'm thankful for that much. Always been my break outside. Final stretch for Saturday night. Okay, so words are going now. Last one of the night. It's 10:05, so I gotta wait till it's over and then we get to go. The event said that this was their last competition, so it's already late enough already. Being responsible, and sometimes that sucks. Sometimes I hate it. But you know what? My tomorrow self will love me for it. So I will go ahead and say that. I don't know why Hilton has like such an issue connecting. It's 5:55. 5:55. I'm tired. But like I've been more tired. If that makes sense. I don't know if that does. But like, I'm tired, but it's just like, I've felt more tired before. It is a beautiful day. Look at that sun shining. It's the only thing I get excited for these days, is that shining sun. Fast. The breakfast. Break for it to go a little bit longer, and then lunch. Yeah.
Everybody talking about R&B shit. I'm just talking me shit. You know what I mean?
It is dinner time, dinner break. I'm exhausted. But they got us coffee, so that's nice. Little zazz. We're gonna finish this out, and then I'm gonna pack up, go home. Also, I'm about to put a sticker right there at the end awards, because why not, right? 8:27. I need to get gas. And then I'm gonna go home. So awards are happening now, and maybe I should get gas now. Like, should I just do it at Wawa? I mean, it's the closest. Should I do it now? My impulsive decision is I have branded the sign. I think I'm about to go get gas, honestly. I'm technically not supposed to do this, but I think I have time, so I think it'll be okay. I think we're good. Oh, you motherfucker. Damn, okay. It's 12. Can I have a receipt for pump 12, please? Thank you so much. record timing. Woo! So I don't have to do this tonight or tomorrow morning. I could just go straight to the rental prize place. So a little recap for this weekend. This is the platform that we were on, right? And so like every time somebody would walk up onto this platform, the whole thing would shake, and then it would mess up my video, and my video would look like this. So that wasn't the best, but, and then that's my food, right? That's what I ordered myself, and that's what the event gave me, right? The veggie burger, just, I didn't even know what kind of burger it is, but there were these fries were soggy, but this was the vegan plant-based burger, and it looked like that, which is why I got that instead. You know, so it's just things like that. Like, I don't mind getting my own food. It's just annoying. You know what I mean? Like everybody else gets like steaks and like Philly cheesesteaks and all these things. I get salad and whatever that was, but it's fine because I got my own food and it was gas. So there's that. But yeah, overall this weekend was nice. It was a really nice weekend. The crew was great. Felt like a family. They were super funny, super cool. And, you know, they kept the energy going, which is what you need basically when you're working those kinds of hours. Yeah, super excited that was my last competition. Let's see if I get selected for nationals. Otherwise, I'll be doing recitals, which will be shorter and less work intensive, I guess. I don't really know. I also want to say that this has been a crazy 5 months of just competitions. And now that it's over, like, it sucks because, you know, I'm out of a job. I'm going to be out of a job in, you know, less than a month. Like, I'm not going to be able to travel like that anymore. Like, you know, like the plane rides and stuff, it's all going to, you know, kind of like dissipate. But it's not going to be non-existent though. Little future, little blurb. I am very thankful that I had this job because it has taught me so much, not only about myself, but also like how to travel and how to pack light, you know, how to take care of myself and do things independently. And, you know, I'm very grateful to have this opportunity. That being said, the hours were very disgustingly long, but it really helped me learn that I can push myself that long and that far and still come out doing a great job and getting what I need to be getting done. I'm sad that this is over. Hopefully I can continue this next year. Hopefully they ask me back because I think that's how this works. Regardless, keep in mind that everything in life is temporary. Everything you experience, everything that you're going through, it's all temporary. Things are going to come back, but they're also gonna leave. That's the thing that I think is really struggling for me, is that like when I'm alone, when I'm doing these things alone and I'm on my own and I'm like by myself and thinking these thoughts and, you know, trying to sleep and things like that, like I struggle to remind myself that these moments, these memories, these things are temporary. Everything is temporary. And at some point it is going to go away, whether I want it to or not. It's a beautiful thing about life, but it's also, you know, the hardest thing about life. So just keep in mind that life is temporary. Things, people, animals, you know, it's all part of life, and it's all temporary, and it's very special and very beautiful. And to really take yourself outside of everything that's going on, everything you have to do, and just look at like what you have and what you know, have experienced. Just kind of appreciate those memories, even if they're ugly, or the experiences, even if they're ugly or they're your lifetime highs. You know what I mean? Know that everything around you is all temporary. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, subscribe. Also, everything is linked down in the description below, including my Patreon page. So if you want to go support me, you can do that in that way. And I post, you know, videos, pictures, things like that, journal entries, you know, all the stuff. And yeah, it's a great way to help out. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace out. Enjoy life. Give it up.